Ever wondered what makes us age? What if I told you the secret lies in something called telomeres? Welcome, dear listeners, to a journey of discovery, a voyage into the fascinating world of our very own cells. Today, we're going to introduce you to the concept of aging, not just as the inevitable passage of time, but in terms of a microscopic marvel at the heart of our cells, known as telomeres. So what are these telomeres? Telomeres are tiny protective caps at the ends of our DNA strands, safeguarding our genetic data and ensuring the successful replication of our cells. But here's the catch. Every time our cells divide, these telomeres shorten. And when they become too short, our cells can no longer divide and become inactive or senescent. This, dear listeners, is where the aging process comes into play. The shortening of telomeres is directly linked to the aging of our cells, and consequently, us. It's a crucial piece in the puzzle that is human longevity. The longer our telomeres, the better our cells function and the healthier we are. But wait, there's more. Research has shown that our lifestyle choices, what we eat, how much we sleep, our level of stress, can all influence the length of our telomeres and thus our aging process. This means that by making conscious, healthy choices, we could potentially slow down our cellular aging. Are you intrigued yet? Well, you should be, because understanding telomeres could be the first step towards a healthier, longer life. So, are you ready to unravel the mysteries of telomeres? Buckle up, because we're about to dive in. Well, let's delve into the fascinating world of our cells and unravel the mystery of telomeres. Telomeres aren't just passive caps. They're dynamic and active. They play a vital role in the division of our cells. You see, every time a cell divides, it must copy its DNA so the new cell has the same genetic information. But due to the way DNA replication works, the very ends of the chromosomes can't be fully copied. This is where telomeres come in. They take the hit, losing a little bit of their length each time a cell divides. Now you might think, so what? They're just getting a little shorter. But here's the catch. When telomeres get too short, cells can't divide properly anymore. They become inactive or senescent, or they may die. This process is associated with aging, cancer, and a higher risk of death. So the length of your telomeres is a vital part of your cellular health. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is our bodies have an enzyme called telomerase that can add length back to short telomeres. It's like a repair kit for your shoelaces, if you will. So why are we not immortal then? Well, in most of our cells, telomerase isn't active. But don't lose hope, because that's exactly where scientific research is heading, finding ways to activate telomerase and maintain telomere length. In a nutshell, telomeres are the unsung heroes of our cells, protecting our DNA and playing a crucial role in our aging process. Now let's delve into how exactly telomeres influence the aging process. Telomeres, the tiny protective caps at the ends of our chromosomes, play a critical role in how we age. Each time a cell divides, its telomeres get a little shorter. Over time, as the cell continues to divide, the telomeres continue to shorten until they become so small that the cell can no longer divide. This is known as cellular senescence, a state of permanent cell cycle arrest, and it is a hallmark of aging. Think of telomeres like the plastic tips on the ends of your shoelaces. Just as those tips keep your shoelaces from fraying, telomeres keep your chromosomes from fraying and sticking to each other, which could lead to genetic information getting mixed up or even destroyed. But just like the tips on your shoelaces, telomeres can wear down over time. The length of our telomeres is a good indicator of our biological age, which may be different from our chronological age. Biological age refers to how old we seem, based on various markers of health and vitality, while chronological age is simply the number of years we've been alive. For example, a person who is 50 years old chronologically may have the biological age of a 40-year-old, if their telomeres are longer than average, or a 60-year-old, if their telomeres are shorter than average. One of the most fascinating findings in this area of research is that telomere length is not solely determined by genetics. Lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise, stress levels, and sleep quality can influence telomere length. This is good news because it means we have some control over our biological age and potentially our lifespan. Research has shown a strong correlation between short telomeres and a host of aging-related diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, certain types of cancer, and dementia. These are all conditions that become more common as we age, suggesting that telomere length could be a key factor in determining our risk for these diseases. It's also worth noting that there's a protein called telomerase that can actually rebuild and lengthen telomeres. However, the activity of telomerase decreases as we age, making it harder for our bodies to maintain telomere length. There's ongoing research into ways we can boost telomerase activity and potentially slow down the aging process. But before we get too excited about the prospect of living forever, it's important to remember that telomeres are just one piece of the aging puzzle. There are many other factors at play, and we're still unraveling the complexities of this fascinating process. So, as our telomeres shorten, our cells age, and so do we. That's the crux of the telomeres aging connection. But what determines the length of our telomeres? Let's find out. Our telomeres, these fascinating biological structures at the ends of our chromosomes, are not static. Their length can vary, and it's influenced by a multitude of factors. And these factors, they are surprisingly within our control. Let's start with lifestyle choices. You've probably heard this before. Smoking and heavy alcohol consumption are bad for your health. But did you know they are also bad for your telomeres? Studies show that both habits can accelerate the shortening of telomeres. And it's not just about what we consume. Lack of physical activity is another lifestyle factor that can negatively affect our telomeres. Regular exercise, on the other hand, is like a magic potion for our telomeres, helping them maintain their length. Next, let's talk about stress. It's not just a mental or emotional issue. Chronic stress, the kind that sticks around for a long time, can take a toll on our telomeres. The biochemical reactions triggered by stress can accelerate telomere shortening. So, managing stress isn't just good for your peace of mind. It's also good for your telomeres. Now, let's turn to diet. Yes, what we eat can affect the length of our telomeres. Diets rich in antioxidants, like those found in fruits and vegetables, can help protect our telomeres from oxidative stress, which is one of the causes of telomere shortening. On the flip side, a diet high in processed foods and unhealthy fats can hasten telomere shortening. Beyond these, there are also genetic factors at play. Some people are born with longer telomeres than others. However, even if your genes predispose you to shorter telomeres, the lifestyle choices we've discussed can still influence their length. Lastly, let's not forget the role of sleep. Quality sleep is essential for our bodies to repair and regenerate, and this includes maintaining our telomeres. Studies have found a link between sleep deprivation and shorter telomeres. So getting enough shut-eye is not just about avoiding those pesky dark circles under your eyes. It's about keeping your telomeres healthy too. In conclusion, the length of our telomeres is not set in stone. It's influenced by our lifestyle, our stress levels, our diet, our genetics, and even our sleep patterns. By making healthier choices, we can help protect our telomeres and potentially slow down the aging process. Clearly, our lifestyle choices can have a significant impact on our telomeres and consequently our aging. So can we do something to strengthen our telomeres? Absolutely. And we're not talking about complex scientific procedures or high-end medical treatments. We're talking about simple, everyday changes that can make a big difference in our telomere health. Let's start with diet. You've probably heard the phrase, "you are what you eat." Well, when it comes to telomeres, this couldn't be truer. Research has shown that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains can help protect and lengthen our telomeres. These foods are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory nutrients that fight off harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation, both of which can damage our telomeres. But it's not just about what you eat, but also how much you eat. Overeating, especially of unhealthy processed foods, can lead to obesity and chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, all of which have been linked to shorter telomeres. So maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for our telomere health. Next up, exercise. Regular physical activity is one of the best ways to strengthen our telomeres. Exercise helps reduce stress, improve immune function, and promote healthy aging. all of which are beneficial for our telomeres. And you don't have to be a marathon runner or a gym rat to reap these benefits. Even moderate activities like brisk walking, cycling, or gardening can do the trick. Sleep, too, plays a critical role in telomere health. Lack of sleep or poor quality sleep can lead to increased inflammation and oxidative stress, which can shorten our telomeres. So make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Stress management is another important aspect of telomere health. Chronic stress can accelerate telomere shortening and speed up the aging process. So, finding healthy ways to manage stress, like practicing mindfulness or yoga, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones, can help protect our telomeres. Finally, let's talk about harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. These habits can cause oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to shortened telomeres. So, if you're a smoker, consider quitting. And if you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Now we understand that changing habits and lifestyles isn't always easy. But remember, every small step counts. Even simple changes like adding more fruits and veggies to your diet, taking a daily walk, improving your sleep, or practicing stress management can go a long way in strengthening your telomeres and promoting healthy aging. Remember, the key to longer telomeres lies in a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet. And with that, we wrap up our discussion on strengthening telomeres. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll delve into the specific foods that can boost your telomere health. Wondering what foods can help you maintain healthy telomeres? Let's take a look. First and foremost, we have fruits and vegetables, particularly those rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, are known to protect cells, including telomeres, from oxidative stress. This means that munching on oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and spinach, among other antioxidant-rich foods, could help keep your telomeres in tip-top shape. Next on our list is whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread are high in fiber, which has been linked to longer telomeres. So, if you're a fan of pasta or bread, switching to whole grain options might do your telomeres some good. Omega-3 fatty acids, most famously found in fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are also beneficial for telomere health. Research suggests that omega-3 fats can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage telomeres. So if you're a seafood lover, you're in luck. Then we have nuts and seeds. They are packed with vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that can help protect your telomeres. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts are great choices to incorporate into your diet. Don't forget about legumes. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are rich in fiber and antioxidants, making them another great option for telomere health. Plus, they're a great source of plant-based protein. For those with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate could be your go-to. It's rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, that can help fight off cellular damage. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. And last but not least, green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants known as catechins. Studies have shown that catechins can help protect our cells and may potentially lengthen our telomeres. So, why not swap your next cup of coffee for green tea? But remember, while these foods can contribute to telomere health, they're part of a bigger picture. A balanced diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are all crucial for overall health, including that of your telomeres. So, by incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help your telomeres stay healthy and slow down the aging process. Did you know? Certain herbs can also help in maintaining telomere health. Let's explore. When it comes to supporting our telomere health, the plant kingdom offers a wealth of resources. Various herbs with their potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties can help in slowing down the process of telomere shortening. First on the list is turmeric, also known as the golden spice. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Research suggests that curcumin can stimulate the activity of telomerase, an enzyme that helps in extending telomere length. So next time you're cooking, don't shy away from adding a dash of this vibrant spice. Next up, we have green tea. An elixir of health, green tea is rich in polyphenols, specifically a type called EGCG. This compound is believed to protect telomeres from damage and slow their shortening. So make sure to sip on this refreshing beverage for the sake of your telomeres. Ginseng, the root of life, is another herb that deserves a mention. Studies have shown that ginseng can stimulate telomerase activity and slow down the process of cellular aging. Whether you prefer it as a tea or supplement, ginseng can be a worthy addition to your health regimen. Moving on, let's talk about Rhodiola rosea, also known as golden root. This adaptogenic herb is believed to enhance physical performance, reduce fatigue, and most importantly, support telomere health. Some research suggests that rhodiola can increase the activity of telomerase, helping to maintain telomere length. Next, we have ashwagandha, a revered herb in Ayurvedic medicine. Known for its stress-reducing effects, ashwagandha is believed to support telomere health by reducing oxidative stress, a key factor in telomere shortening. So, consider adding this powerful herb to your wellness routine. Last but not least, let's talk about astragalus. This traditional Chinese herb has been used for centuries for its health-boosting properties. Modern research suggests that astragalus may stimulate the production of telomerase, thus helping to slow down the process of telomere shortening. It's important to remember, though, that while these herbs can support telomere health, they're not a magic bullet. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are also crucial for maintaining our telomeres. And as always, before starting any new supplement, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional. So, don't forget to add these herbs to your pantry for the sake of your telomeres. Looking for natural ways to lengthen your telomeres? You're in for a treat. There are various lifestyle changes you can make to not only strengthen but also lengthen your telomeres over time. Let's delve right in. First up, we have exercise. Physical activities, especially those that get your heart rate up, can have a profound effect on your telomeres. Studies have shown that regular aerobic exercise can help to preserve telomere length by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that can accelerate telomere shortening. So, whether you're into running, swimming, or cycling, remember that every bit of movement counts. Next, we have stress management. Chronic stress is a big no-no when it comes to telomere health. It's been found to speed up the rate at which telomeres shorten, leading to premature cellular aging. But fret not, there are plenty of ways to keep stress at bay. Mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga can help to calm the mind, while hobbies and social activities can provide an enjoyable distraction from daily stressors. And let's not forget the importance of a good laugh. It really is the best medicine. Then there's sleep. Yes, the amount and quality of your sleep can affect your telomeres. Skimping on sleep or having disrupted sleep patterns can lead to shorter telomeres. On the flip side, getting around 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night can help to maintain telomere length. So consider this your official permission to hit that snooze button. Now let's talk about diet. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants can help to protect your telomeres from oxidative damage. Foods high in vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, and selenium are particularly beneficial. So fill your plate with colorful fruits and veggies. And don't forget about nuts and seeds for that extra antioxidant boost. And lastly, there are some promising herbs and supplements that might help. Astragalus, a herb used in traditional Chinese medicine, has been shown to stimulate the production of telomerase, the enzyme that helps to maintain telomere length. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil have also been linked to longer telomeres. But remember, supplements should never replace a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. They're just the icing on the telomere lengthening cake. So by adopting these habits, you can potentially lengthen your telomeres and age more gracefully. Scene script. How can you tell if your telomeres are getting weak? Let's find out. Telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, are like the plastic tips on shoelaces. They keep our genetic material from unraveling. But with age, stress, and poor lifestyle choices, these telomeres can shorten. And this is where the signs of weak telomeres come into play. Research shows that some of the first signs of weakening telomeres are visible aging. Wrinkles, gray hair, and even age spots can all be signs that your telomeres are shortening. While these are all part of the natural aging process, they can be accelerated by weak telomeres. Another sign of weak telomeres is a weakened immune system. This may manifest as frequent colds or infections, prolonged recovery times, or even more serious immune disorders. The immune system's ability to fight off disease is closely linked to the health of our telomeres. Cardiovascular and metabolic diseases are also linked to telomere length. Studies have found that individuals with heart disease, diabetes, and obesity often have shorter telomeres. This suggests that these conditions may be both a cause and a consequence of telomere shortening. Mental health issues, particularly mood disorders like depression and anxiety, have also been associated with shorter telomeres. While the connection is not fully understood, it's believed that the stress associated with these conditions can accelerate telomere shortening. Finally, fatigue is another common sign of weak telomeres. As our cells struggle to replicate due to shortened telomeres, it can result in an overall feeling of tiredness or lack of energy. Now, it's important to remember that these signs are also associated with many other health conditions, and having one or more of these symptoms doesn't necessarily mean your telomeres are short. But being aware of these signs can help you take early action. This could involve making lifestyle changes, like eating a healthier diet, getting regular exercise, managing stress, and getting enough sleep. Remember, being aware of these signs can help you take early action to protect your telomeres. So that's a wrap on our telomere talk. We've traveled through the fascinating world of telomeres and understood their crucial role in aging. We've delved into the science behind these protective caps at the end of our DNA strands and how they shorten over time. We've also grasped the connection between telomere length and our health. We've explored the factors that can affect telomere length, from stress and sleep to nutrition and exercise. We've discovered foods that can support our telomeres, and we've learned about herbs that can bolster telomere health. We've also examined natural ways to lengthen our telomeres and the signs that might indicate they're getting weak. The journey's been enlightening, hasn't it? Understanding our telomeres empowers us to make informed decisions about our health. Remember, your telomeres are counting on you to make healthy choices. So, here's to longer telomeres and a longer, healthier life.